Welcome to today's nesting vlog. This is the first nesting vlog on YouTube, so welcome. This week has been so insanely busy from doctor's appointments and just work, and this is my first day off of work this week, so we are going to clean. So I have a lot of like just normal house cleaning to do, and then after that we're gonna go into nesting, aka just organizing, because I 100% want to organize now while I'm able to, while I feel good about it. That way when baby gets here, we're good. By the way, if you hear like noises, we're watching Zach's parents' puppy, and he is quite a talker, so if you're whining and barking, that's just him. He's a vocal dog. He's good. Hey, Mr. Finn. Hey, puppy. Whoop. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? I've had a lot of people tell me like I'm nesting too early, and I don't think it's early. Like literally baby will be here in 13 weeks. That's crazy to me. That's so freaking close. Also, I don't want to do it last minute where I feel like I can't move around, because people say like getting towards the end of the third trimester, it gets pretty sucky, you know, like not being able to move, not being able to go up and down easily, or feeling lightheaded, or, you know, some people even have babies at 35 weeks, 36 weeks, and I am 26. So if that happens, then I only have 10 weeks to get ready for baby. So I don't think I'm nesting too early. I'd rather do it now where I feel capable and it feels like easy to do, or easier to do. I don't want to wait till like the very end where like it's a struggle to do everything. So we're organizing, and it's not just the baby stuff. I want to organize like everything in the house. Like the other day I did the pantry. So I did a little like real time lapse of this, but I organized the whole pantry and then put a little mat down, because that metal can rack down there kept leaving like little rust stains on the ground. I guess because like when I mop, sometimes like water will get under the door. So I put a little thing down. Why is my camera not zooming? Oh, there it goes. Sorry. But I also did my little baskets. I have my Beautiful You supplements. I love my Beautiful You supplements. Those are the ones I can currently take. Those are ones I can't take right now because of pregnancy. And then I have my unopened snacks, popcorn, and that's open snacks. We have to eat those first. We're so bad at just like constantly opening things. So I'm like, Zach, that's the basket. We have to eat that first, and then we can go over there. But I'm really happy with it. I love the little baskets, and as you can see, I'm obsessed with my label maker. But the goal is to organize every inch of the house before the baby gets here. That way just everything is so smooth and so comfortable and not stressful when baby boy is here. That is the goal. Will it happen? Hopefully. I'm crossing my fingers. We will see. I'm gonna try my best. But as you know, I've been working like extra crazy. My job doesn't do maternity leave, so I'm saving up for my own maternity leave, putting in lots of extra hours and doing some side hustles, like Facebook Marketplace and Depop. That way, like, there's no stress when baby's here. I'm trying to save like a extra $1,000 from side hustles. I'm doing a little TikTok series right now, all about that if you do want to check it out. But I have this like little savings book, and I'm trying to save $1,000 just from side hustles. So not money from like my work or Zach's work or anything like that. Like this book is strictly side hustle savings. So this will be like extra money apart from, you know, what I'm saving from just like our normal jobs too. But I digress. That's like a different topic. But yeah, today's goal is organization. One little side note before we get into things. I think one of the reasons people say like don't nest too early is because like once baby's here, you may find out the system you put together isn't actually the best for baby, which I totally understand. So I understand that comment. But we're just gonna put things like where we think they need to be. Like I did start a little baby cabinet. Obviously there's empty spots too, because you know, if we need more stuff, at least I have space for it. And then I do have this drawer too. So we're just making space and then putting some baby stuff out. But like I know, because everybody comments, You know, things are definitely gonna change when baby's here, but I just want it to be like organized enough and know where everything is. And then we can always shift it if we need to shift it, but hopefully it'll be good. So if you guys are watching my organization videos, if you have ideas, feel free to comment down below. Like if you're like, hey Katie, it's stupid to put medicine in the kitchen, you'll be using it more in the baby's room, tell me that. And then I'll know like, okay, I should rather put it over there. Or if you're like, Katie, you shouldn't have a bassinet there, you should, like, you know, whatever. Because I would appreciate it, because it would be nice to have everything organized in the best place now, then try to move it when baby gets here. But let's get cleaning. So I have a lot of stuff on my dining table right now because it was stuff we were trying to Facebook Marketplace. Also we did go grocery shopping. I need to put that away. We weren't Facebook Marketplacing paper towels. But everything else pretty much, not that too, that's camera gear, but okay, the big stuff. So that's why that's out. I want to move it back into the garage because we took photos of it and I want my dining room back. So that is goal number 1. Zach's parents are picking up their puppy today. We've been pet sitting for them because they've been gone for a week. So goal number 2, not necessarily in order, I want to have my living room back, but that can't happen until Mr. Finn gets picked up. But I'm the type of person, like, I need a clean house to function. A clean house makes me feel good and not stressed. So this has been a little stressful, but also I can't complain too much about him because the rest of the house has been kind of a mess because me and Zach have been working like crazy, having doctor's appointments. I've just been really tired, and now I know why. I went to a recent doctor's visit and they said I'm anemic. So that is why my energy's been so low, and now I'm taking iron supplements for that. But I'm like, that makes sense why I've been getting headaches and feeling really tired. I feel better today. I'm not sure if you guys noticed my energy levels, but I took the iron yesterday and this morning and I already feel a lot better, and I feel like my under eyes are not as dark. So I am feeling better. I don't know if it's like an illusion or a placebo effect, but I'm feeling a little bit better. Goal number 3 though today is to do like all the normal housework we haven't been able to do just because we've been so busy. And then bedroom, my bedroom, my bathroom. So that is hopefully the plan. But for basic cleaning, what I like to do is dishes, laundry, garbage, pick up, vacuum, but the robot's gonna vacuum for me. I just deep clean vacuumed 2 days ago, like with my actual vacuum going through everything. So it shouldn't be too bad. But then again, we've also had 5 pets in this house because we're pet sitting Zach's dogs too. So we'll see if it's furry free enough that I can mop, but obviously I don't want to mop if it's like there's still a lot of dog hair everywhere. So I may mop too, and then we'll get into all the little organization things and moving things around.
When the sky turns gray and dark, when the world forgets to spark, in my heart you light the way through the night into the day. When I stumble, trip and fall, you're the one that I can call.
So it's already 1:37 in the afternoon, and all I got done cleaning wise is the dishes. So not much. Zach ended up coming home from work for lunch, so I made him lunch. He ate, we hung out during his lunch break. When he left from lunch to work, I then ate my lunch, and then I finished doing the dishes. And it feels like I time jumped from like 9 a.m. till it's almost 2. So I feel like this happens a lot when I get cleaning. It's just like things either surprisingly take a long time, so it feels like I either got nothing done, or it's just like there's like a time jump. Like I don't know. I don't know how it's already 2 or almost 2. It doesn't sound right. But I'm also feeling really, really sleepy now. So I don't know if it has anything to do with me being anemic or I don't know. Washing the dishes with that hot water was like so soothing. I don't know why, but like the hot water on my hands made me feel so sleepy. So I'm gonna play some music and try to just power through at least getting the getting the laundry and the garbage done. And then I might just sit down for like 10 minutes and then I'll get organizing, but I feel like so freaking tired out of nowhere. So we'll see, but I'm gonna blast some music and just power through the rest of the dishes, laundry, garbage pickup.
Doubts and deepest fears, your voice whispers in my ears. My hope is in my God above, in His grace and in His love. Through the storms I stay so strong, with His strength I carry on. Mountains rise and waters churn, yet in faith I stand and learn. Every trial a stepping stone, with my God I'm not alone. When the world forsakes and leaves, in His arms my spirit breathes, in His truth.
Okay, it's now 4 p.m. I ended up doing the Instacart pickup just to make my life easier and to save some time. So I need to put all of that away, but I did do the dishes, the laundry, the garbage, the recycling, and then I picked up the kitchen and wiped down all the counters. So the house feels a lot better. I still need to put away the vacuum and now all the groceries, but basic household stuff is now done. I do have to go to Walmart though. My husband needs new tires, so we scheduled an appointment today, so I need to do that and help him with that. So we'll be looking at tires and getting them switched out and walking around Walmart. So we'll see if there's any like cute baby stuff since we're walking around anyway. But when I get home, I really want to at least do one organization thing that has nothing to do with just the normal cleaning of the house, which is building this sink organizer. I bought it a whole week ago and have not built it yet, and I really want to. So it's a 2-pack. I'm gonna use one in my kitchen for like all my travel cups. I think it's the perfect thing for travel cups, and then the other one will go into the bathroom. But I need to get all these groceries away. The tires ended up taking way longer than expected. It's already 8 p.m. so we're just gonna make dinner and then go to bed. So we didn't get to the organization that I wanted to, but at least we did like all the basic house stuff that was needed to be done throughout the week. And tomorrow I can just focus on organizing. So thank you for joining me with today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I felt like we accomplished a lot, but also not the most, but this was at least good practice for vlogging. I'm gonna try to be better with vlogging. Oh, hey Mort, hey buddy. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.